Now, Storm Watch 12 weather with meteorologist Josh Culbreth.
Welcome back to News Watch 12 midday, and right now you're taking a look at some of the gray skies in Grants Pass. And earlier this was fog because some of these gray skies were actually down at the surface level, but ever since then they've lifted up. It's just some stratus clouds now in Grants Pass. This view coming courtesy of the Tap Rock Northwest Grill. Temperatures still held in check in the mid-30s because we haven't seen any sunshine yet in Grants Pass, but that'll change a little bit later today. Across the map, we're seeing some pretty good visibility, except for along the coast where visibilities have been cut in half down to 5 statute miles, but that still is decent visibility. So current temperatures this midday in the 30s for the east side, 30s and 40s for west side valleys, a little bit warmer in Medford as opposed to Grants Pass because we actually have some sunshine in Medford. Then along the coast, temperatures pushing 50 degrees. So for today, if you're going to take the kids out to the playground, temperatures will be pretty average for this time of the year. We'll have a mixture of sun and clouds, which is already what we're seeing in portions of the Rogue Valley. So that's going to be the story for today. We'll have pretty average temperatures with 30s and 40s for the east side, 40s and 50s for the west side valleys, and just a little bit above 50 degrees there along the coast in Brookings. And skies will stay pretty consistently partly cloudy all throughout the day. We'll have some pretty light winds in our lower elevations, but in our higher elevations up in the Cascades, winds could gust upwards of 20 miles per hour. And then overnight, clouds will start to increase a little bit more ahead of a storm system that I'll have more to say about here in a second. But that storm system is going to impact us for Tuesday. So for the night before that, because of the clouds, temperatures will be a little bit more on the mild side compared to some of the nights that we had just last week. So we'll be in the teens and 20s for the east side. We'll be in the 30s, mainly below freezing, well, either right at or below freezing for our west side valleys, and then we'll be right at 40 degrees there along the coast in Brookings. So now on to Tuesday and the storm system that we'll track with Stormcast. We'll put this into motion by the time we get to right around breakfast time, maybe just a little bit afterwards, 8:30 in the morning. You can see some very light showers in Curry County, in Josephine County, but some of the heavier stuff is going to hold off until the afternoon. And it looks like it's mainly just going to impact the coast. We could have some showers in the Cascades, maybe getting down to the Rogue Valley floor, but I think the east side, I think Siskiyou County mainly stays dry. Can't rule out a few sprinkles here or there, but I think it's in those aforementioned areas that we'll see the biggest impact. So if you plan on going hiking this week, I'd maybe hold off for Tuesday just because it will be grayer and there will be that chance for showers, but then becoming much more mild and much drier in Wednesday and Thursday, especially very mild for Thursday, pushing 60 degrees for the Rogue Valley, which is about 10 degrees above average for this time of the year. So we have that one little weak storm system for Tuesday, and then we have the second little weak storm system for the Friday to Saturday time frame. Now this one looks a little bit wetter, but I think impacts from this one will be pretty minimal. Of course, keep it tuned right here to News Watch 12, and the Storm Watch 12 weather team will continue to tweak that forecast all throughout the week. Here's your 7-day forecast for the coast. Rain looking likely for Tuesday, drying out for Wednesday, and then several different shower chances for Thursday through Saturday. But all in all, staying pretty mild for this week. For Siskiyou County, we'll be pushing 55, 56 degrees for Thursday. That's going to feel very nice, but then temperatures will come back down to earth for Friday into Saturday. And maybe some snow showers could be possible into Saturday, but we're not expecting anything super substantial in terms of accumulating snowfall, but we'll track about the same chance for the east side as well. And for tomorrow for the east side, even though I think most of us are going to stay dry, winds will pick up, and winds will also pick up for the Cascades and Siskiyous. But overall, over the next 7 days, I don't think we're really going to add to the snowpack in the way that we did at the beginning of this year. And then for the Rogue Valley, small chance for showers on Tuesday, drying out, becoming mild for Wednesday and a Thursday. Then some more shower chances come back on Friday and Saturday.
So aside from some of the little storms that we're seeing moving in, are there any big concerns weather-wise this week? What's kind of our theme when it comes to weather?
I don't think there are really any concerns. I think, we talked about it on the morning show this morning about those mild temperatures for Thursday, pushing 60 degrees in the Rogue Valley. So that'll be a nice little treat. But other than that, nothing's really jumping off the page.
Okay, well, we love that to start off our week. Thank you, Josh.
Of course.